Hey babes, it's Indy. Today I am trying a braided wig cap. I seen this, my friend sent me a TikTok a while ago that a wig cap had a braid, and I was like, wait a minute, I've seen that at the beauty supply store. So of course I had to grab it so I could try it for you guys. And I'm also going to be installing Trendy Tresses crochet hair, which is perfect because, you know, what else would you do with this? Okay, so let's get it open. I thought it smelled weird for a second. I was like, I got a whiff of something. I don't know, might have been the plastic. Here it is. Ooh, I'm feeling it. The front has like that U shape. Here's my plan. I'm going to try it on my head first, but I think I'm gonna transition over into using this mannequin head on the stand. If you guys want a mannequin head like this or the stand like this, I'll have it linked on the shopping feature on YouTube. I'm gonna start it on my head just to see what the vibes are, and then we're gonna, because you can like take it off, I'm gonna put it on her. Alexa, set a timer for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Let's see where we are in. The great thing about it is that it already comes pre-stretched. You can split it in half if you want, but I think I'm just gonna like start installing them and then fluff it out. I'm starting off by using a latch-hook tool with the latch open and poking it through the cap braid. I loop the crochet hair inside the hook, close the latch, and pull it through the braid. Now I'm using the hook to grab one leg of the crochet hair. I'm closing the latch and I'm gonna pull it through that loop that I made. I repeat that one more time with the same leg of crochet hair, and then pull all the way through the loop and then off up the latch. It's kind of harder to do on yourself. Side to tie like you're tying a bow, and then once you get the hang of it. So this is going to be the same exact concept. Take your latch hook, poke it through the braid. You're going to loop the crochet hair, pull it through, and then you're going to latch one side of the crochet hair and pull it through, and then repeat the same step to pull the same piece through the loop twice. Then you're going to pull it tight to make sure that it's secure, and then because this is a double knot, you're not going to have any problems with slippage if you're making sure that you're not, you know, getting it caught on anything. So the number of packs in total that I used was 6. That might sound like a lot, but I wanted this style to be really full, and they sent me 6, so I had more than enough to make sure that the style was as full as I wanted it to be. Now, if you want a more natural look, because I know that this is really full, you can go ahead and use less packs, but here you kind of see where I got to the top, I realized that I was adding too much hair, so I kind of started spacing out the pieces and doing a brick layer pattern. So I'm adding in the pieces in the row above it within the gap right there. So this can kind of make it fuller without having to use so much hair. And then when I got to the top, I made sure to put crochet hair along the base so that I can create the foundation for the bangs that I wanted to do. And then as I'm going upward, I'm kind of just filling in the gaps. Now I'm gonna move on to shaping it. So I wanted this style to have bangs in the front. I kind of was going for like a diva cut kind of look. So I'm cutting the bangs in the front and I'm just chopping them off. Of course, I did them a little bit longer than what I, you know, really want. Just because if you know anything about cutting bangs, I've seen so many horror stories of people just like going for it and then it being way too short. So you kind of want to start off a little bit more, like kind of carve out the shape that you want. So start off by making conservative kind of cuts and then really taking a look at what the shape is looking like. So you see here, it's going kind of straight down and it looks really pointy. I was going for a rounder kind of look. And y'all, I have no experience in hair shaping, so you know, I'm just going with my eye and vibes. So if I can do it, you can definitely do it too. So I had to match the other side. You can kind of see I'm shaping it in a circular shape. So the ones toward the sides and the ones in the back kind of have to layer downward to make that shape. I forgot to mention, this braided cap does have clips on the inside. So the inside has 1, 2, only 2 clips, but that's fine. You know, just don't do nothing crazy now. We're gonna reshape it a little bit in a sec, but it's looking cute, looking full. Here's how the top is looking. Like, can you see the braided cap? I'm sure you can see it a little bit, but honestly, who is looking that hard? So I kind of just like fluff it through a few more times with my hand just to find any longer pieces that I think need to go like that. Yeah. Okay, boom. Wait, something else is bothering me. I'm very particular when it comes to like shapes. Bow! Okay, now I gotta put on the red lip. I'll be right back. Here is the final look. I paired it with the red lip and a red dress, and girl, it's giving holiday season. It looks so cute. I love the results. I will link everything for you guys down below in the description and in YouTube shopping. And if you babes want me to try out more videos like this, give this video a like. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you want to see more of my DIY hairstyles, because you know I have a lot of them, I have a whole entire playlist, check out this playlist right here.